cat.
Neko-chan Enterprises sent me some interactive cat toys, the Neko flies. I was sent the Foxifer Kittenator, the Kitty Caterfly, and the Catapede. These are attached to woven long lines that come attached. They can interchange either on a short or a long wand, very sturdily built. Saren's 16th birthday, so she got to test the toys. She's particularly enthralled with the Foxifer Kittenator. She's not a real big one for going after the little flies, and so this one she just really likes to cheek rub and enjoy, and very likely these would be great toys for your cat with supervision. The Catapede could be bitten into and swallowed, could be dangerous. Happy birthday, Saren.